Do you remember getting the phone call saying you won?
Yes, and I hung up immediately.
That was on me.
Oh my god, I felt so bad.
So we just were waiting for it to go out permanently before choosing to purchase a new one. I think I had used you all in the past because our furnace has gone out a few times and needed some repairs done, and so I was on the mailing list and got an email about the promotion. So yeah, the overall process was fantastic. I mean, the guys came over, talked it through with us, but then came over to actually do the install. It only took 4 to 6 hours and really easy. So it was super wonderful and nice, and avoided our crazy dogs because they were all over the place. So really appreciated that, cleaned everything up. But yeah, no, we are just super thankful. It was something we really needed. Couldn't believe we won.